What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Since I like throwing random stuff at you guys, today we're going to be swapping out the rear brake pads on a 2011 F150 King Ranch. So this here is my neighbor's King Ranch. These brake pads, as you can see, are pretty worn. I've already got the wheel off over here. He had a lock on there and it was a 21 that went onto the lock, so we got those off. Looking at these, this is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We're gonna have to remove this bolt right here as well as this one up here. This right here is a shock dampener, so you don't have to freak out about that. It's not like it is on the brakes with the electric e-brake where you have to worry about doing any type of crazy mode or anything like that. You just gotta twist this off and we'll be able to get this caliper off and do them like a normal brake change. So just using a 10mm wrench, we'll be able to loosen this and twist this off. It's gonna be the same up here. We'll just have to use the open end of it to get around the base, and then we're gonna be able to use this here to help us twist it off. Set that over there and out of the way. For the front side of this pad here, all I'm gonna do is pry up on this here to move this bracket away from the actual caliper itself to free this up. And then this one here is just gonna pull forward and come out of the piston. Well, that is it. This job was actually pretty straightforward, pretty easy. We knocked it out in, I want to say, like 15-20 minutes both sides. Something you could easily do in your own driveway or garage. If you guys want to know anything else, maybe front brakes, maybe you want to know about what's going on here, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit those bell notifications so you don't miss anything else that's coming up from myself or Ethan. And we will catch you in the next one. Peace.